Natural remedy to stop smoking in 30 days, better than nicotine patches. But many of those products can help to stop cigarettes, but they do not help against nicotine addiction. It is simply switching from one source to another, and they are super expensive. In good time, there are many studies that have shown several natural and cost-effective options for fighting nicotine cravings, thus leaving the cigarette packet in place, in the trash bin. Lemon is the most recent fruit we can add to our list. It is an easy fruit to find in any grocery store or grocery store. The use of lemon as a tool to stop smoking is surprisingly simple. Easy way to quit smoking with lemon. 1. You should split a lemon in half, and that half in 4 pieces, and every time you feel a craving for a cigarette, take the 4 pieces of lemon from the refrigerator and chopped. 2. Many people will wonder if it really works, and a study published in the Journal of the Thai Medical Association tested the effectiveness of this method compared to the nicotine gum method. Although lemon acts a little slower in the first few weeks, but researchers found that at the end of the study, at week 9 to 12, lemon had reached an almost equal rate of success. 3. The lemon gave such a good result that the only fault we can say, to say any, is its power, which is slightly lower compared to nicotine gum to reduce anxiety. The good thing about this test was that lemon is a natural alternative that can really help combat nicotine addiction, and also this spectacular fruit provides us with a great sweet and pleasant taste. Apart from that, this fruit is full of nutrients and vitamins, being its curative powers an advantage to add. You wait to start the test and see the results. Remember to share this article with your family and friends. I asked